Hello guys, welcome back. Today I have a little tutorial on how to make this cute decoration for Christmas. One of the ornaments that has captured my heart, and it's very easy to make, and you can also turn this into a family project, especially if you have kids. It's that easy. And now let's get into the tutorial. You will need first to cut a general circular shape, and then you can just cut the sides. See, this will leave you with two pieces that look like this, and I think it looks adorable. I don't know what this shape is called, but it's perfect for Christmas decoration. As for the paper, you can use any paper. This is like cardstock, but you can use regular piece of paper in any color. I advise using bright colors or using something that's completely neutral, either red, which is not neutral, but other colors that are neutral, like beige and gold, it's possible. And then once you draw this general shape onto the paper, you will try to have as many as possible. I had about 40 something pieces, and I ended up using all of them. So you will need in between 36 and let's say 44, 45, the more the merrier. And you will need some glue. You can use paper glue, regular school glue, or Uhu glue, or this tacky glue. Tacky glue is amazing. Honestly, it really dries fast. But here, it was a lot easier for me to use this glue, I thought at least. And first you're going to glue the sides and for the first paper. Second paper is going to be the middle, and then again the sides, and so on. You will do this until you don't have any paper left. This is the second option. You can use double-sided tape, and you're just going to cut tiny little strips, and then you're going to put them on the paper in the same spaces where we put the glue. And then you're just going to remove this, the backing of the tape, and then you're going to stack them up in the same fashion as we did before. So here I used two different versions and two different ways of creating this, and eventually it was all the same, just that this created a lot more mess. So I decided to stop with these things, and it was a lot easier with glue. For the glue, it took about an hour or two to completely dry and to be ready for the second stage of this ornament making. But it was easy and fast. And once you have all stacked up together, you're going to take your ornament, well, half of it at least is here. So you're going to put the glue on the sides in order to glue them together. And you're going to be like at least a little bit careful, a little bit more than I was, with how much glue you put, because you don't want to get all those little pieces of paper stuck in the middle, like together. So here I wanted to add this little piece of string, but it was too bland, and I eventually decided to go against that and change it for something that was much prettier, which you will see in a second. Here I was just putting something heavy on top to help this portion dry. And you want to put something heavy on top, otherwise it's not going to catch all these little pieces of paper. So as you can see, I showed you what it looks like on this side before it is glued. And this is the second portion. And this is actually the portion where I decided to add the other piece of ribbon, which you will see in a moment. It's very pretty and it has golden details. I really love that. And it's pink. You cannot go wrong with pink. And yeah, you will just add a little bit more glue on top of it. And this tacky glue is very good because it really dries fast. Honestly, just like half an hour and it's already solid. You can finish the whole project up very quickly. I was trying to use different mediums to see if this can be done a lot quicker and a lot less messier. I mean, without the glue. Technically speaking, you can also use paper glue, because this is paper and it's going to look the same. And once it is dry, this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Once you try to open it, it looks like a little accordion, and it looks like a little flower blossoming right in front of your eyes. So To finish it up, I used Uhu glue and I put a nice little stripe of it along the sides of these two pieces of paper, and then I used this little clamp to keep it together until it's fully dried. I know I'm a little bit late for Christmas decorations, but I bet that there's a lot of people who haven't decorated yet, and I haven't. I'm still thinking about it. Should I not? When you move countries every few years, it does not feel good to invest into decorating stuff. And this is the finished product, and I hope you liked this little tutorial. If you did so, please comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.